When it comes to project management for software teams, Azure DevOps and Jira are two heavy hitters. Both handle agile workflows, but they approach them differently. Azure DevOps is Microsoft's end-to-end development suite. It includes repos, pipelines for CI/CD test plans, and boards for agile planning, all tightly integrated. Teams using Visual Studio, GitHub, or Azure Cloud often find it a natural fit. Devs praise the seamless code-to-deployment workflow, but non-technical stakeholders sometimes find the UI less intuitive. Jira from Atlassian is the gold standard for agile project tracking, highly customizable with boards, sprints, and roadmaps that support everything from startups to enterprises. It integrates with Confluence, Bitbucket, and a huge ecosystem of plugins. Users love its flexibility, but the same flexibility can lead to complexity, with setup and scaling sometimes overwhelming. So which is better? Azure DevOps shines for end-to-end DevOps pipelines and teams already embedded in Microsoft's ecosystem. Jira is stronger if your main focus is agile project management with broad integrations and stakeholder visibility. Bottom line, choose Azure DevOps if you want one tool to manage code, CI/CD, and projects in one place. And choose Jira if you want a flexible, dedicated project management platform with an ecosystem that extends way beyond software development.